Hi, I'm Bill Enright. I'm the Application Technical Manager at Mark Andy Inc. here in Chesterfield, Missouri, and we'd like to talk to you about shrink today. It really depends on what you're trying to achieve. Generally, process work is printed with anilox rolls somewhere in the neighborhood of 1,000 line to 1,200 line per square inch. Anilox volumes anywhere from 1.6 to 2.0 BCM. When we talk about white, generally we're targeting somewhere in a 5 to 6 BCM range for laying down a good opaque white. We can absolutely print shrink on Mark Andy digital equipment. Our IQ and our HD line of inkjet presses do an exceptionally good job with shrink films. Chill rolls will have a definite effect on the amount of chill when running UV LED inks. It's kind of a balancing act to not get the web temp too high so that the shrink begins to shrink, but we've also got to manage the heat as we're printing to ensure that we don't cause any kind of material deformation. Yes, you can over-cure ink on shrink films. If you're not here on shrink, you're going to not only get adhesion issues, but you're going to have curing issues. So you're going to get ink tracking and offsetting, especially when you put it in a roll. So we would also call that blocking. Depending on how the film has been surface treated, sometimes we will have to use corona treating to raise the dyeing level or surface tension of the material to get a better bond. We'd like dyeing to be 42 or 43 as an optimum when printing inks on any kind of film materials. No. A lot of shrink films are printed by solvent processes, including Gravure. Really, ink adhesion, ink drying, blocking, these are all key characteristics that you need to be concerned about when you're printing shrink films. Well, I work for Mark Andy. We have an amazing tension control system on our printing presses. So shrink films don't have a lot of cross-directional web strength, but they have a lot of lineal web strength. It is just by managing tension, not running any more than is absolutely needed when converting these films. Yes, you can run shrink either in LED or UV. So technology has come a long way with our press and giving us the ability to manage web temperatures as it's transporting through our print stations. The use of chill rolls definitely gives us a management tool, but basically a traditional Mercury Vapor UV curing system does generate a lot of heat, and there's too much heat for the material, causing it to deform. While it will work, not really ideal for shrink applications, UV LED definitely lends itself to being a much more robust system because of the low heat that this curing system generates. So UV LED is a much better opportunity for doing shrink consistently.